We're on our way home from school. Yeah, it sucked. Hi. What's your name?
Kaya.
Better lighting now. So we're on our way home from the bus. We're on our way, and yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're in the hotel. So yeah, the hotel is pretty nice. So we have like our own room. So I'll show you what it looks like. That's the front door, and then that's the kitchen. You can't see. That's Kiana's bed. This is my bed, and then that's another room. So they can leave us alone, right? So we're going to the mall, and it's 8, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. But we only have 2 hours left to get ready. That's kind of bad because we have a lot of people in this room. I look so rough.
Same.
But yeah, I'll see you at breakfast or at the mall. Hey guys, so now we're at the mall, and it's like 3 something, and goods. Only a few.
And we're so expensive. We got a little
But we're gonna go eat right now since it's 3 and we're starving.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we just got back because we just went swimming, and some are still down there, but me and Brianna are done.
Oh my gosh, we should be vloggers together.
Oh my gosh, guys, so I'm on the tripod. Don't do it, I'm loosening my thing. Just kidding, we're not gonna work out, it's closed. Hey guys, ew, it's the next day. It's Sunday. It's 9:11.
Yeah, it's cold. So cold.
Hey guys, we're going on
We're back. Hi, we're going on a roller coaster.
We got stranded at Minneapolis, so.
Yeah, so we're not leaving yet. We got stranded.
Yeah, so we're at Nickelodeon again.
Whoops.
No school.
We're going on the SpongeBob.
Yeah, it's gonna be so scary. All the way up to the roof. We're doing next.
We're doing the skateboard.
Well, we want to
Hey guys, so it's the next day now. It's Monday. What time is it?
8:21 right now.
Yeah, and we just like kind of woke up, not really. But yeah, we're stuck here again for a little bit. So we were supposed to leave by now, but we might go eat in a little bit. We're starving queens. We're going to eat breakfast now, so. Hey guys.
Hey, I'm the prettier version of her. Stop.